Hey everybody, this is Lee back with another video. Today, me, Mason, and Owen, and the rest of us are at the bowling alley. Mason started his own vlog too. Say hi, Mason.
Bloodshed Gaming, best YouTuber on the internet.
You know that he's the second best. Zoe, go.
Dude,
What's
90% of my vlog is gonna be just bowling. Cause after I get done bowling, I have to go help my mom. Cause I have to go see my dogs.
Yeah. But yeah, this could be fun bowling. And in a week we might go to movie theaters. You never know. And after that, we might go having a sleepover. We have a lot of plans ahead of us, right? Like hanging out.
Dude, there's so many good vlogs coming up though. We're seeing a movie next week, I think.
Yeah. What? Hopefully.
In this game, I saw like it said I look at this milk and it said 99% fat.
That's hilarious. 99% fat. Move your head. Move your head. Move your head. Move your head. It was Izzy's birthday yesterday. I want to see some comments in the comment section saying happy birthday, Izzy. Yeah, that's what's up. Got some napkins right here. Napkins. Got the napkin drinks. Bad drinks.
You're just recording random people like an idiot with a small camera.
Blur their faces. Anyway, guys, we're just waiting here because bowling's all filled up.
You're gonna have to record me bowl and get this straight. First try.
First try.
You have your pants all the way down.
We're having bumpy.
Dude, he bowled and dude, his pants fell all the way down.
Zoe, move your head. Oh my gosh, I just hit you by accident. That's unfortunate.
Dude, I'm sorry, dude. Look at his pants. I can't, dude. I'm sorry, dude. Look at that kid. Over here.
What?
Dude, he's like 7.
See some mad sideburns over there.
I'm alright.
No, that guy never.
What?
Guy. Mad sideburns. What? Guys, Izzy, do you have anything to say?
Whose name is Jam? Whose name is Matt?
Look at those mad animations right there. I don't know if you can see
I
it.
think that's the 3-letter thing.
Whose name is Finn?
Finn. No, sometimes there's abbreviations if your name's too long. I don't think there should be.
Yeah, mine was Zoe. Mine was already short enough.
Zoe,
Sorry.
move your head. Sneeze. Got anything to say, Izzy? Izzy, got anything to say? What? Doesn't everybody have anything to say, Mason?
Subscribe to my channel, please.
Link in the description below.
Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Instagram is MasonShane8. My Snapchat is MasonJones7228. Yeah.
Yep. In the description below. Miss.
Izzy farted in the car. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing.
Another question. Whose name is GMI? CA? His name is GMI? And CA?
Whoa!
And RHI? ADA.
That looks cool. Split.
Bio your Christ.
Ooh, so close. So
What
close.
are we doing?
Same so far.
What are we doing?
We're waiting for it to clear up and stuff.
So we wait for, so everybody has one?
Everybody.
We're gonna wait for stuff to clear up. I'll wait to clear up. That one looks like it's almost done.
Very, very sad.
Got some cheap animations. Probably because this place might be old. I gotta sneeze, but I can't. I'm still alive, but I can't sneeze. And Izzy,
I blew up the bathroom and I'm stunk, kids.
Hi, my name's Pork Chop.
playing some Stickman. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in part 2. I'm just gonna skip to the part.
Dude, you should have saw his ball, dude. He threw it in the air and he freaking got a strike. That was cheap. It landed on the pin and he got that strike, dude. That was cheap.
Yo, can he make it? Oh, we're so close.
Do you hate it when you knock all the pins down and one's wiggling and then it just doesn't even knock down?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so
Anyway,
weird.
guys, I'll see you in part 2. Right there, we should be bowling. Yeah. Bye. Izzy, say something.
Right here.
Bugger.
I'm vlogging on my channel. Check out the video.
Yeah. Check out the channel. See ya.